Ubat batuk yang paling mujarab di dunia ialah apa tu? I beli madu Yaman semalam pergi dalam hujan, I batuk makan terlampau banyak ikan tongkol, ikan tuna tu kan. This one madu Yaman. Madu Yaman, this one RM16 something. Dia dah campur dengan Habatusauda. This one is Habatusauda. Blackseed oil, you mix three three punch of this blackseed oil. You mix all together with this Yemeni honey, and then Kasturi, lime, citrus from heaven, and then you mix all together. You don't mix with water or whatever. Just three pump of this Amalina Blackseed oil. Mix with the honey, 1 spoon, or make sure you use plastic spoon, and then you drink. You swallow, and then you kena hisap apa tu lime ni, you kunyah inside, and then dia akan baik. 2-3 times you do this treatment, then you can cure your cough. This is how it look like. So you open this one, and then you picit lah, you tekan, you pump masuk dalam macam ni je. Okay, this is 3 minutes betul untuk menghilangkan batuk dengan segera. Ubat yang paling mujarab di dunia, tak ada ubat lain kalau batuk.